Hey guys, I'm Mikkel. Welcome to Pretty Healthy. I have really been craving French fries lately, and you know what? I'm gonna have some French fries because it's about moderation, and I know how to hide a lot of really healthy ingredients into my French fries. And they're baked, they're not even fried, but they're called French fries. I'm a rule breaker. Today, my friend Greg is gonna help us out because he claims to like French fries more than me. We all know that's not true, but I guess we'll see. Ready to make some French fries, Greg? Let's do it. Okay guys, I get it. I mean, potatoes get a bad rap. We fry them, we cover them in oil, we mash them with butter. But when you break it down, they're not that bad for you. In fact, they have a lot of different nutritious elements. And today, in our Healthy Baked Loaded French fries, we're gonna get the maximum nutrition out of these guys. They're high in vitamin C and potassium. They can help protect your skin. They boost circulation, and these are incredibly cheap. You get such good bang for your buck with these guys. Now, my lovely little assistant Greg over here has already cut these steak fries for me. I think that they are the perfect width to hold up everything we're gonna load them with. So while we finish cutting these up, check out the rest of our ingredients. For our fries, we have russet potatoes, olive oil, chili powder, onion powder, and nutritional yeast. For our guacamole, we have avocados, spinach, lime, garlic powder, and pico de gallo. For toppings, we have red bell pepper, broccoli microgreens, jalapeno, scallions, and black beans. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and season our French fries with my olive oil. Just all of it goes straight on, and the spices. So the garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of spice, and a generous pinch of salt. Perfect, and you just toss until you can see that every potato has those spices all the way around it, and your hands look like a murder scene. Too dark? Probably. I'm just going to lay them out, not touching each other on this baking sheet. It's kind of like a little puzzle. Let's see how many we can fit. And the last puzzle piece. Ta-da! You proud of me, Greg? I know, I'm gross, sorry. I'm gonna pop them in the oven for about 30 minutes, so while we wait for them to bake, check out my pretty healthy tip of the day. A can of tomatoes and tomato paste. Today I'm going to tell you about how you can make your own homemade ketchup. If you look at the back of a ketchup bottle, the majority ingredient, yeah, is tomatoes, but the second majority ingredient is high fructose corn syrup. Let's not even mention the fact that they're in BPA plastic bottles. So much better for you to make it at home. All you need to make yours at home are these guys, some vinegar, some spices. Check online, there's tons of different recipes. So give it a try and you'll save yourself all that unnecessary junk. These are perfectly baked and golden. Look at how beautiful they look, but we're not done yet. I'm gonna go ahead and just tint these with some foil to keep them warm. The next element to our loaded French fries is guacamole, but it's not a normal guacamole because I am hiding a vegetable in this guacamole. That's what I do best. So the vegetable that we're hiding is spinach. Spinach is a great source of so many different nutrients. First off, it fights free radicals, which means it's actually anti-aging. Second, you see how dark green this leaf is? That means it's super high in chlorophyll, and chlorophyll actually has anti-cancer properties. The taste of spinach, in my opinion, is subtle enough to hide into a lot of different dishes. Since guacamole is already green, no one's gonna know it's there. So I'm just gonna cut this avocado. Then I'm gonna scoop the flesh into a food processor. In goes our spinach. And some lime juice. And let's blend it. There we go. Look, you can't even tell there's spinach in there. So next I'm just gonna treat this like regular old guacamole. I'm gonna spoon this in with the other two avocados. All right, and then I'm going to mash that with my garlic powder, a hefty pinch of salt, and some pico de gallo. So I'm gonna use this good old potato masher and just mash the guac. All right, that is mashed to my liking. So on the base of this, I'm going to do a layer of fries, a spoonful or two of our healthy guacamole. And then I have some toppings here. I have the red pepper, scallions, some black beans, some sprouts, and our jalapenos. And then rinse and repeat. Ta-da! And there you have it, loaded baked french fries with quite a few hidden veggies if you ask me. So excited to try one of these. These are so good. I love how you can taste the spices and they complement the guacamole so well, which, by the way, I can't taste the spinach at all. And I feel like they would go great with some homemade ketchup to dip that last little bite of fry in. It's amazing. Greg's staring at me like, you really want some? Okay, fine, you did help me. There you go. So if you're craving french fries, there's no reason to not indulge in these, especially if you get away with hiding a couple of veggies in it. It's practically guilt-free. Greg and I are gonna eat the rest of these now, so we'll see you next time, and I hope you give these a try.